Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the repurpose function. That's a very new function on Kapwing.com. They just introduced that, but it has a major bug, and this is when you click on one of the clips which is generated, like this one here. Can see, I mean, most of it is nicely done, comes with this captions here, but you can see it's too close. I mean, this is actually the video and this is what you get. There's almost nothing to see, and so of course viewers won't be very happy when they just see a very small part of it, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So this is it. You can see usually we are clicking on zooming, but this definitely does not help because we can just make it larger and smaller, but we don't get the original video back. So what we have to use is the cropping, and you can see now the whole image, so we can expand it here to the whole image, and also of course on this side. So we have now everything here, but of course it's still away from being perfect, so we have to keep working on that. And now we are using the zooming function, of course. Yeah, now we even need to increase that more. Now we have the whole picture. Now we leave the cropping function, we put this thing back, go back to the zooming, and now we have everything here. Of course, this is specifically for the portrait mode, so we have it now perfectly fitting for the portrait mode when we have been recording in landscape. And now what we have to do, we right click on this clip which we have been modified, we click modification and we mark everything, and then right click and select paste modifications, and now you can see the whole video is now working like that, and now much more helpful than before. We can export and then hopefully use it. And so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.